almost blocked that, Jennifer.
Thanks for the words of encouragement, Coach.
Let's all give Angela a hand for not throwing up on the piano keys this time.
Why invest in leadership training at ages 13 to 18? It's the perfect window for brain development. The adolescent brain is undergoing massive rewiring, especially for self-confidence, active listening, public speaking, and humor. This is a neuroplasticity sweet spot for building practical leadership skills.